Hey everybody, we are at the Venetian in Las Vegas, Nevada, about to do another restaurant review at Smith and Wollensky. Some steaks, maybe some lobster. We won a little bit of money on slots so we can afford the lobster tonight, maybe. So, just come along. Enjoy this review while we make it happen. Has been made. Heather's birthday dinner, so she's allowed to get whatever she wants. So go ahead and tell them what you chose.
I got a South African lobster tail along with the signature filet mignon.
And I got a 28-ounce bone-in, dry-aged ribeye. Because you know how I feel about ribeye. If you watch the previous videos, you know that the ribeye best cut because fat is flavor. We also got some crispy Yukon Gold potatoes
and some whipped potatoes as well.
Got a little basil, olive oil, chives mixed in. It's supposed to be really good.
Yes, we did.
Gino is our man for the day.
Man for a couple hours, yes sir.
All right. Taking good care of us. We got some delicious bread. Just pull it apart, whipped butter. Oh, it's gonna be a feast. For the first bite of the bread. Now, Shannon.
It's good. Oh, it has sea salt on it.
Sea salt. All right, you know the rules. One bite. Did I get anything on me?
Nope.
Very good bread service. I like the whipped butter. Nothing worse than a hard square of cold butter that you can't spread. Not here at Smith Wollensky. So far, so good. Wait till you see this. Hold on, long before. Look at this. Now, I know in a video it's tough to get a size, but look at this.
Bigger than my head.
It's as big as Heather's head. Oh, bone-in ribeye. Wow. And then we got the filet mignon, butter for the lobster tail, delicious looking Yukon Gold potatoes, special mashed potato. All right, first bite of potato. Hold it up here to the camera. Let us see the crispiness. Oh. Little parsley.
All right.
Good.
They're very good.
Okay. Are you gonna try Scoopski?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try a fork.
Amazing.
Amazing. All right, I can't wait to get into those. What are you gonna try, the steak?
Yep. Okay. All right, you ready?
Yep. Winner. You got any description words?
So tender. It's a little bit, I got medium, but it's more of a rare. But I'll tell you what, it is incredible. That's in the top 5.
Woo! Top 5. Oh, now you're going into this?
Heck yeah, I am.
Am I gonna get to eat today?
Nope. My birthday dinner. It's a huge chunk of lobster. All right, let's see what we got here. That's delicious.
Huh?
Delicious.
The lobster. South African, those are the best.
So good.
All right.
You ready?
We're going for a tater here.
How's that prepared for you? Is that prepared for you?
That's the best Yukon Gold potato I've ever had. It's crispy. It's got like butter and salt. Am I gonna like this? It's one of the best mashed potatoes I've ever had.
Right?
All right. Dripping. Wow. Yeah.
He's speechless, guys.
Better than the other steak place we went to. Barry's
I
Downtown
was thinking
Prime.
the same thing. I think that the lobster at Barry's was a little bit better, but the steak here is better.
It's amazing. Come to Smith Wollensky. You won't be disappointed. Now we're gonna eat. All right, Heather went to the bathroom, but what she doesn't know is the waiter is bringing us this big, ginormous hunk of chocolate cake with like a chocolate cow on top, I think. It's a birthday surprise. We're so full, but you gotta do it, right? So, she'll be back soon. It's a birthday girl. I was videoing your arrival back.
Thanks, babe.
Birthday,
Oh my goodness!
Birthday dessert for you. Just something small. I know you say you're full. There's always room for chocolate, though.
God.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy that.
Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with this? Oh,
All right. Seriously.
seriously.
Hold that up to your head. The steak is as big as your head. This piece of cake is literally bigger than her head.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
What do you even do with that? I don't even know how to conquer this beast.
I don't even know where you. This.
It's beautiful, but like, how do I eat that? Oh my goodness. Did you order that? What are you doing? Oh my gosh.
So how do you tackle a beast like this? I guess you just gotta take slices off. And the way you eat this big, ginormous piece of cake is the same way that you eat an elephant.
One bite at a time. All right.
Alright.
Holy crap.
Honestly, I don't know if you can tell, but that's like a normal size piece of cake. All right, birthday cake, first bite.
You're lucky this is big.
Is that good?
I wouldn't share it with you. It's like dark chocolate. It's not. It's like layers of dark chocolate and milk chocolate. It's amazing. It's better than the 20-layer cake.
You don't like cake, honey.
Oh, this is good. I like this.
All right. There's like layers of chocolate mousse in there.
What you need to know about Don, first off, is he's a cake connoisseur. My husband can eat literally a whole cake in 2 days by himself. He loves cake. So what do you think, Donald?
That top 5 cakes ever I had.
Right? Amazing.
Chocolate mousse, chocolate ganache, delicious cake, 10 layers. Time for the post-dinner review. Now, we came back to the room because I think this review is so important. We wanted to be in quiet, comfort, so that we could really tell you about this place. Did we like it?
Oh my gosh, yes.
I know I'm not supposed to dance, but how do I not dance?
I married him on purpose.
It was probably in our top 2 dinners in Las Vegas.
Oh, for sure. Top 2.
Mott 32.
That's number 1.
And we're eating at Mott 32 tomorrow, so make sure you check out that review. But Smith and Wollensky in the Grand Canal Shops at the Venetian Las Vegas gives, I wish I had more hands, I'd give it 5 thumbs up. Tell them about your food.
Oh, my food was excellent. The steak was amazing. It was not over seasoned. It was cooked really well. It was a little bit underdone, but it didn't matter. It was amazing. Lobster was good. Not the best I've had, but definitely good. The potatoes were amazing. I mean, everything was just incredible. I highly suggest going there for sure. What about your food? How was yours?
Might have been the best steak I've ever had.
So good.
At a restaurant. It was literally huge, as big as my head, 28-ounce bone-in ribeye. It was dry aged. It was cooked to perfection. Wow, so
it was
good.
A lot of food though. Like a lot of food.
Now the Yukon Gold potatoes and the mashed potatoes that we got that you saw on the table, those were half orders, and we still couldn't eat them. So if you're coming there, if you got a group of 4 people or whatever, you could probably get a couple apps and share them. Definitely, if you're a couple, I mean, we order separate stuff because we want to show you a few different things in the video, but very easily we could have went in there and split, of course, that 28-ounce ribeye would have been more than enough for the 2 of us.
I think that would have fed 3 people.
And even the filet.
The filet was huge too.
I think we could have split the filet with all those potatoes and the bread and been happy.
Yeah, I agree.
And then, if that's not good enough, Gino heard me mention it was Heather's birthday meal, so he said, hold on, don't leave, I got something for you. And I thought he was going to bring us out like a cupcake with a candle. Oh, free birthday complimentary cupcake. He brought out this ginormous piece of chocolate mousse cake that was probably, and I know cake, it was definitely in the top 3 cakes I've ever had.
It surprised me. It was so sweet that he did that, and it made me feel uber important. And the cake was by far, like me personally, I'm not a cake connoisseur like Donnie is, but it was by far the best cake I've ever had in my life.
Right.
It was
And
amazing.
I'll put the receipt up here so you could check that out. It wasn't cheap. The cake.
But that was my birthday dinner, so remember that.
The cake.
Special occasions, perfect.
I'm telling you, as big as this piece of cake was, the cake was $14 for the dessert, which is a great deal. If you get that cake for $14, it's a great deal. Of course, they comped it. They took it off because it was her birthday, which we didn't expect. And when they bring you a birthday dessert, you would think it's going to be a cookie or a little cupcake, but Gino went all out. So thumbs up to Gino. So
Yes, thank you, Gino. That was very kind.
listen, if you come to Las Vegas, go to the Venetian. And if you go to the Venetian, go to Smith and Wollensky Steakhouse. No questions asked. I don't worry about comments below that you tried it and it wasn't that good, because it is superb.
Outstanding, really.
It's probably the most glaring review we've given on food because it was that good.
It was.
Mott 32 is so amazing, but it's different. It's the soup dumplings and the different type of food. But for a steak, we went to Barry's Downtown Prime.
That was good as well.
That was really good. Really good.
Right, but I think this was better.
This was better.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
we were trying to figure out whether we wanted to go to Cut, Delmonico's, Smith and Wollensky. We chose this, and I'm glad we did.
Me too.
So you choose it too. So we're in here in Vegas. We're living our blessed life. We appreciate everybody for watching. Check out some more of our videos and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like these reviews. And we appreciate you more than you know. So thanks for watching, and we will see you on our next adventure. It's time for the post.
Okay. You want to try that again?